Caloundra Chiropractic Adjustment Range for Chronic Neck Pain Relief expanded. Wellsure Chiropractic, phone number 07 5438 2008, has expanded its range of targeted chiropractic adjustments, designed to treat neck pain for patients in Caloundra, Queensland. With its newly expanded treatment additions, Wellsure Chiropractic's team positions itself to help treat a prevalent condition among Caloundra community members, chronic neck pain. For more information see wellsure.com.au. While prominent among office workers whose work contributes to a hunched posture, neck pain is varied and multifaceted, says Wellsure Chiropractic. The clinic now provides a wider range of chiropractic adjustments and manipulations to target the cause of such conditions, potentially bringing lasting pain relief in the process. Every person experiences neck pain differently, explains Wellsure Chiropractic. The most common symptoms include discomfort over the base of the skull and top of the shoulders. The discomfort can be aggravated by many activities including movement, sleep, work activities, the position of head, and stress levels. Determining the root source of neck pain is central to its recommendations, adds the Caloundra team. In order to ascertain pain origins, Wellsure Chiropractic offers thorough, on-site assessments using neurological testing methods and more, narrowing down primary conditions before designing a chiropractic plan in direct response. Among others, its treatments include manual chiropractic routes to relieve pressure on the neck. Much of its chiropractic care is based on the concept that nerves in the spine or neck are under tension with a rippling effect throughout the nervous system, and this can manifest in lingering pain or discomfort. Targeted adjustments can alleviate this impact, says the Caloundra team. Benefits can include improved mobility and flexibility, and with ongoing care, Wellsure Chiropractic notes that patients often find they are able to avoid similar pains going forward. Alternative treatments may be more appropriate, depending on each specific case. Wellsure Chiropractic names low-force options and soft-tissue release methods as part of personalized chiropractic care plans that address different types and causes of neck pain. Headed by experienced chiropractor, Dr. Cade Sutherland, the Wellsure Chiropractic team is able to provide expert insights and advice on maintaining an optimal posture, whether at work or in daily life. Consultations are in line with the company's philosophy of discovering wellness through holistic care, with the future health and well-being of its patients in mind. Interested parties in Caloundra and nearby can find further details at wellsure.com.au.